Bonjour à tous. Today I'm going to discuss subject pronouns, French subject pronouns. So all of you be ready for that. As you can see, the topic is les pronoms sujets. So it is very important to know about French subject pronouns to conjugate the verbs in French. So first of all, as you can see here, the first one is je. Pronunciation is je. Je means I and it is first person singular form. Then you can see tu, tu, that is you, second person singular, and this is informal way also. Tu you can use with younger ones and your friends. You cannot use this tu with elder ones. Then third one is il, that is he and it, third person singular form. Then ELLEL, she or it, this is again third person singular form. Then ON, this is also third person singular form, and you can see ON like one. English translation of ON is one. One means one speaks French in France, like this. Then NOUS, no, nous. Nous means we. This is first person plural form. So nous is plural form of je. Then vous means again you second person plural form, and this is formal way. While we use this vous with elder ones, so you can see here vous is plural form of tu. Then ILS, pronunciation will be ill. They, third person plural form and also masculine. Then ELLESL, again L means they, third person plural form and feminine. So you can see here ILS is plural form of ill, ELLESL plural form of L, that is ELLE. Then I'm going to talk to you about this. You can see here also. Now if suppose these subject pronouns are there and you have to conjugate the verb. Okay, so what you can do, you can easily conjugate the verb because you know je, tu, il, elle. Now if suppose these words are there, so how you will identify which word you are going to use? You can see here mon père, that is my father. My father, automatically il, that is he. So we have to use il form. Mon père, mon frère, my brother, mon oncle, my uncle, mon ami, my friend, mon cousin, my cousin. So with all these third person forms, then if someone's name is there like Paul, Manuel, Caroline, Carole, or Monsieur Legrand, Monsieur Vincent, M is short form of Monsieur, gentleman sir. Then le livre, that is the book. Stylo, le stylo, pen. Le bureau, that is desk. So with all these words, we have to use third person singular form, that is il. Then here you can see now feminine. Ma mère, my mother. Ma sœur, my sister. Ma tante, my aunt. Mon ami, that is, so we have to use here MON. This ma will change to mo before a word is starting with a vowel, that is AEIOU HNY. Then Caroline, name is there, feminine, yes of course. Marie, Carole. Then la maison, that is house. Cette fille, this girl. Cette image, this picture, that is it. This picture is feminine word. We have to use ELLE for this to conjugate the verb. Then you can see here, mon père et moi. Mon père et moi. My father and me. My father and me means we. Then mes amis et moi. My friends and me. Again, my friends and me. We. We have to conjugate the verb with nous form. Then ton ami et toi. Your friend and you. Your friend and you means both of you. Votre frère et vous, your brother and you means both of you. We have to use vous form. Okay. Then here Paul et Manuel. Paul et Manuel means they. Both are masculine, so ILS form. Then les hommes et les femmes. Les hommes, the men, 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 and the women, MEN. Of course, ILS, if suppose in a group, men and women, male and females are there, we will take this masculine form. Then les cahiers, the notebooks, again ILS form. Then here you can see Caroline and Ellen, both are feminine, Caroline and Ellen, ELLES. Then les gommes, the erasers or rubbers. Les règles, the scales, rulers. Les questions, the questions. Again, L form. Mes sœurs, my sisters, feminine plural. Mes filles, my daughters, again feminine plural. Mes amis, my friends, again feminine plural. So with these words, we have to use ELLES L forms. So you have to understand this very well, with which word we have to use which subject pronoun. Now I am going to tell you pronunciation once again. Les pronoms sujet, je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Don't use ills or else. Plural will be il, el. Now I am going to tell you exercise, how to use these words in exercise while doing exercise also. Exercise I am going to tell you that also, so pay attention. Exercise also I am going to teach you. Exercise next, if you can. Now pay attention here also once again. Complétez avec les pronoms sujets. You have to complete the words, the sentences with subject pronouns corresponding, not any. You can. Numéro 1. Je m'appelle Caroline. My name is Caroline. Dash, suis anglais. I am British. My name is Caroline. Dash is I am dash am British. So it will be je, je. It will be je. Then Catherine. Dash est très coquette. Catherine, she is very stylish. She is feminine singular, so simple, automatically ELLEL will come. Numéro 3, dash est très beau et grand. Here you can see here, these words are masculine words. So we are talking about masculine singular. So he is very handsome and tall. So il. Numéro 4, Pauline et Pierre. Pauline and Pierre dash are very thin. They are very thin. This is both of them. No, this one is feminine. This one is masculine. We will take masculine form. So ils sont, ILS. Numéro 5, dash sont professeurs de français. We are professors of French. French professors. So we are. This verb is être verb, which means are. So we are. NOUS, no. So this document also later you will get. So if you like the video, please do like it and subscribe the channel and wait for next video. Till then, merci, au revoir, bonne journée.